Hello viewers, I'm an engineer as Ahmed. Today I will teach you how you can do programming by using chatgpt. You can do programming by using chatgpt. You can write any program by using it. For example, I will uh, write a program to find the factorial of a number. So chatgpt will give me a program. Yeah, here we go. So you can change this program by using your requirement data. So chatgpt has given me this program. We could find out the factorial by using this. So now if I want to understand the whole program, then I can write here. So use it intelligently. Okay, you are an engineer, so engineers are logical and intelligent. So use this AI trained tool intelligently. Then after you could learn everything. So now if I want to understand this program, so don't need to go to teacher and ask him to understand, to let me understand this program. No, you can understand this program by using chatgpt. Now here I will type, so use it intelligently. I will explain the above explain the above program line by line. So now the chatgpt will let you understand the program line by line, and you will eventually you will understand the program. So here we go. I will press enter. So now he is explaining the program line by line, so you can see on the screen practically. So it is explaining everything. So it is a great way to learn things. Now the world became advanced, so with the passage of time you should be an advanced person. Being an engineer, you should active in every fields. Like we have learned everything during our degree. We have learned programming, we have learned everything. So we can easily edit the program by using our requirement data. So we can edit it, we can write it with, if the help is required while programming, we can take the help from chatgpt. It is a great platform to take the help. So for example, if we are making our projects, so by using Arduino, so there are, if you want to display something on the LCD, so now we can program for LCD by using chatgpt. I will write here, write a program for LCD 16 multiplied by 216 columns and 2 rows, you can say. So now it will write a program to me. Here we go. I will press this. It is a little bit confused, I think. Yeah, here we go. It has written everything. So you can change it a little bit if you want. You can tell the chatgpt whatever you want. So you can write down here your whole statement. What is your statement. So you should write here your statement. So it will give you a program in a lucid way. So you have to write here your statement, what you want. Now again I will type that the explain the above program by using above program line by line. If you will write this, then it will let you understand the program line by line. Then don't worry. Here we go. Look at the screen. It is explaining an entire program in a lucid, in a clear way. So thank you so much, viewers. If you found this video fruitful, then don't forget to tap on the subscribe button, because we are making an educational videos. It is too much tough to monetize our channel in educational ways, so you are the one who could support me. Thank you so much.